Hey, what's up, you guys?
Yes. Welcome back to my channel. Wait, are we doing like a Jeffree Star or like a Shane Dawson? Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. Welcome back to another conspiracy theory video.
Trisha paid us. Ew, I look disgusting. Alright,
David
anyway.
Dobrik who? Don't know.
Cancelled. Alright, why am I literally not? Anyway, what's up, guys? My forehead's greasy as heck. Okay.
Paisanos gave us a whole. Oh, are you gonna introduce me?
Yeah, I was trying to. You freaking hobo. Anywho.
Have a whole entire pizza and people are walking in and talking about judging it right now.
Anyway, this is one of my favorite people. This is one of my favorite people in the entire world, Casey.
She is my favorite person.
Oh. I'm gross. Anyway, so today we're doing a mukbang. And Mukbang? Mukbang.
I don't even know what it's called.
Mukbang. Mukbang. Anyway, so...
But I don't think it has an O in it. Like, bong has an O in it.
It's fine. Anyway.
Mukbang.
So today we're going to be talking about our experiences in the junior year because we're both juniors in high school. It's fine, I don't care. So
We both took our WISE test today. Our finance WISE test. And we both passed them. Okay, me. This would be smacked with Parmesan.
Ooh, true. Anyway. Alright, so today we have tropical sister smoothie.
My
What
smoothie.
is your smoothie?
A peanut butter cup.
And mine is a tropicolata with a dark chocolate.
I've never had one of those.
And orange juice, it's really good.
It's the against the
And then, ew, I'm literally so gross. Anyway, so we got a whole, what is this, a medium-sized pizza?
No, it's a large.
It's a large?
Yeah, he said that he was gonna bring us a large.
Ew, that was gross. Anyway, we got a whole large Paisanos pizza. Hold up.
Hey guys, I just want to do my own part. Bite the crust.
Is it on?
Uh-huh.
Yes! Taco Bell brought the sports back! I'm so happy! Sorry.
It has sports to begin with.
Yeah, look! I'm so happy!
No, but to begin with. Okay, I hated that.
Yeah, okay, anyway. We got that pizza from Paisanos. And I got a Baja.
I think I got a hairball.
Okay, anyway. I got a Baja Freeze. And 2 Fiesta potatoes because these are the only things I buy.
Potatoes? Why do I not know what those are?
These are the only things I buy from Taco Bell.
Look at that piece of hair.
Is it yours? It's probably Madeline's.
That's like a mustache.
It's like a it's like a fuzzy.
I'm still gonna eat it.
Ew. Anyway, so let's talk about our junior year.
Okay.
We'll talk about boy drama right here. There is none.
On to the next. I've been single for like almost a year. And I dated this guy for 3 years. And I broke up with him last January. And it's currently December 11th, 2018. At, I think it's 9:33 p.m. Yep, 9:33 p.m.
Hated that. Why do I look so greasy? Everybody's judging us for something.
I'm dingy.
What does that mean?
It's my vocabulary, like raunchy, grimy,
Well, I'm uneducated.
musty.
That explains why Blimey Limey calls me stupid all the time. Alright.
What if Blimey Limey watches this?
Blimey Limey doesn't know I have a YouTube channel.
Or what if I tell Blimey Limey?
Blimey Limey, if you ever watch this, I'm gonna bitch slap you. The next topic we're gonna talk about our classes right here.
I was wondering why you did that, but then I realized you put it in when you edited it. I was like, what is she putting? I just put everywhere. Okay.
Alright.
So
What class
I'm
are
in
you
chemistry, history. I just spit again. I need to.
Spitter suck bitter.
U.S. hit. I don't even know. U.S. history.
I keep touching my
Algebra
face
2.
because I'm freaking greasy. Okay, sorry.
English 11. Fashion. Finance and economics. And cybersecurity.
Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm taking This semester? Wait, did you do your whole year or just this semester?
The only thing that I switch into is economics. I do finance half year, then economics next year. I mean, not next year, next semester.
This semester I'm taking meteorology, choir, U.S.
Wait, is meteorology only a half a year for you?
Yeah. All my
Do you do it
classes-
every single day?
all my classes.
Oh,
are
well, mine's
half-
every other day. That's why, like, A day, B day.
Oof. Yeah, we did that in 8th grade and then we switched.
I like that.
Yeah. Anyway,
So when do you do your SOLs?
next semester.
So you have to remember all the stuff from this semester?
No,
next-
I don't have any this semester. Like, I have all my SOLs next semester.
That's unfortunate. Actually, it's not really unfortunate, but like,
The only SOLs that still need to take are the reading SOLs and the writing ones.
meteorology is like that advanced or something? Because they don't even offer that at my school.
No, they don't even have an SOL for that class because we chill them. So,
cool,
here, and then
This is gonna sound really stupid.
finance.
That's rough. But we both passed our WISE test today.
Here, I passed by 2 points.
I don't know how many points I passed by, but I passed as pass. How we met.
I keep pushing up my glasses, and my freaking face is greasy, and it keeps
It's
sliding.
his
down my
sister
face.
sliding.
It's his sister sliding. His sister's slippery. Hold up. Wait a minute.
I'm gonna just spit my sister's smoothie out. Sister spit my sister's smoothie.
I want his sister to slap both of us in his face. Oh my god, it's a sister sport.
You've already established it.
Okay, well, you know what? I'm gonna frick your chicken strips. Look how freaking good this is. Sorry, folks, but it's No Nut November, so.
It's
I mean-
December, so it's not December.
Yeah, that. Anyway, you wanna try some?
Anyways. Damn, alright.
Alright, frick you.
Thanks, anyways.
Ah.
How we met was she worked at Chocolate Smoothie starting when? It's February of last
Sorry,
year?
I'm really sorry.
Okay, actually me. And then
I'm
I
not
came
gonna
in during April and I saw something that she posted on paper in the front of the. We're not gonna bring that up.
No,
And
bring it up.
her friend that was missing. There was a picture posted in the front of the store, and this girl that I started with was like, yeah, that's this girl named Lexi's friend that works here. But I never worked with her, and I didn't. Okay, love that. And I didn't know like her. Then Sunshine flip
I'm
flop
gonna get
day.
copyrighted. It's fine, I'm not big enough for that. Anyway, continue.
And that was what you told me.
Everybody's watching. Continue what you're talking about. I have the
Anyways, so we
biggest
worked
toes.
together on Sunshine Day, and I was the one that like handed out the smoothies, which literally shout out to Manny and was it Teresa? Yeah, it was Teresa, or was it Madeline? I don't know. They typed in the names and butchered them, so I was like Linda, but it was like Lydia, and like there's like people waiting there for like 15 minutes, and I'm like, hey, man, what's your name? She's like Lydia. I'm like, I've been screaming Linda for 10 minutes. Anywho, Lexi was on smoothies. And I don't even know. We just like clicked. I'm usually
Those
shy
are
when I
both
first meet.
stupid.
Yeah, I'm usually shy when people first meet me. Like I'm in my shell, but like I was open
Yeah,
with you.
Yeah.
Ouch! I was freaking. Look at my gecko fingers. Like I.
Same.
I was trying to hold your hand.
I think I just kissed my hand.
Fucking get that girl's judging us.
That's fine.
I think she thinks we're lesbians, which.
Subscribe
might
to my
have to.
YouTube channel.
What's your name? Supernatural Talk. Teresa.
Teresa.
We have to do a video with her.
I know, it's in my collab list. I was supposed to have Manny Mondays and Madeline Mondays, but that never happened because
So where's Casey?
I thought Thursday. I'm just kidding. It's Tuesday. It's not Tuesday. But this won't go up
It's
until-
Tea Tuesday, actually. Yeah, that's what because we work every Tuesday together.
Yeah.
You don't work next Tuesday, you said?
I know, I'm angry.
Wait, can like you switch shifts with somebody?
hot. Sorry, that was so
Alright, what brought you to Troplex?
I needed money so I could stop working on the corner. I'm just kidding.
Okay, well actually, if you guys didn't know, I went to States. You don't see my ring right now, but I didn't play. But you know, it's fine. Anyways, for basketball.
Oh, I was about to say, I was like...
And I play basketball, but I'm not playing anymore. I just basically just work a tropical smoothie.
Here.
With my love. They're
might
really
double
judging
check
us
my
over
turkey
it.
chunk. I want you to.
I actually hate this song. Just saying.
I'm gonna get copyrighted, but it's fine.
Lexi, how many subscribers do you have?
Like 22.
22? That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm like thinking like 2.
I think Jessica subscribed. Sabrina? Sister Sabrina, I know you might watch this later. Because I know you said your sister stalked my Instagram one day and you ain't even following me, so maybe hit me up. I'll put my Insta over here somewhere.
On my head, right? Yep.
Yeah, right there. But
why don't you link yourself like right there?
Right.
That's cool.
I don't know. You know what that reminds me of?
What?
That one line where it's like, I'm not trying to be racist or anything, but Asian people.
And you almost just made my sister spit out my sister's smoothie. Okay, literally though. You know the line where it's like, I don't know, is it? It's like, are you a lesbian? I thought you were American.
Give me this.
Can you? I haven't taken my SAT either. I've only taken my PSAT. Why is that?
Apple just texted me.
Who?
Apple.
Who's Apple?
We use code names, sister. On the world of YouTube, we use code names. So
Okay, well, I don't know who
names.
Apple is. You never told me that. Follow me on Instagram at ccaasseeeyyy ._. And then add me on Snapchat
I'll put it up
at
there.
ccaasseeeyyy.
We'll put it right here. Ready? That was really weak.
That was really just disgusting.
Sorry.
Why did you just have an aneurysm?
I said eat.
Cause sometimes goodbye is a second chance. We're gonna look raunchy in this because it's gonna flip, isn't it?
I don't know. Me trying to figure out why my eyes never open.
Abacanesia who? I hate you. Hate. Hate. Double hate. Loathed. There's people over there. Tired.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Sister subscribe.
I love that. Actually.
Sister subscribe down below. James Charles, I'm coming for your brand. Sorry, sis.
Are we?
No. But yeah. Sister subscribe. Leave a like.
And we're gonna watch this in 10 years and cringe. Or like tomorrow and cringe. Or tonight.
Okay.
I hate this song too. I hate this radio. Hold on, I have a line that I have to tell you guys.
Anyway, leave a like and
Hold on.
comment down below. Oh my goodness.
Wait, listen. It's facts.
Okay, anyway, well, I love you guys, and
Do you love them though?
no, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Please subscribe.
Love you, Lexi Naders.
It's actually Nacho Ninjas. Thank you very much. A potato just flew.
Why
A
is my
potato
phone
flew
playing music?
around my room. Alright, anyway. I'll see y'all next time because I am...
Nacho Ninjas? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Why did that trigger me?
Alright, anyway, peace out, guys.